The retreat at Strasburg Village is located in Strasburg, Pennsylvania in Lancaster County in a really up-and-coming small town. It's 13 home sites that's tucked away amidst the rolling farmlands within walking distance of JC Park. It's a really great neighborhood backing up to farmland. It's gonna be very quiet and quaint, but yet located centrally to Lancaster and all the amenities and wonderful things that Lancaster has to offer. We will be offering 14 home plans at the retreat at Strasburg Village that range in size from 2,200 square feet to 4,200 square feet and have the ability to be customized to meet your family's needs. The floor plan we are featuring is the Hawthorne. The Hawthorne is a 3,600 square foot home with 4 beds and 2.5 baths. As you walk into the Hawthorne, your eyes will immediately be gravitated to our 2-story family room featuring a fireplace and a whole wall of windows, allowing a lot of natural light coming into the home. This model includes the spacious garden kitchen with a large island featuring double wall ovens. The owner suite of the Hawthorne Vintage is located on the 2nd floor and features a beautiful sitting area that flows out onto a private deck overlooking your beautiful home site. The retreat at Strasburg Village offers a rare opportunity to live within the quiet and quaint rolling farmland of Lancaster County. The ability to customize your home to meet your family's needs, yet still only being minutes away from all that Lancaster has to offer.